It's Virginia's Elite Solar Realtor. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dean. Welcome to another home show with Rolle Estate. If you could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Help out my channel. I'm here on scene in Norfolk, Virginia, and it's Norfolk, not Norfolk. We're on scene at a recent flip from Pro Home Builders, man. Pro Home Builders has been killing the game, man. Putting quality flips out here, help build our community by adding equity to these distressed homes. Special shout out to the listing agent, Miss Jessenia Aponte with Iron Valley Real Estate Hampton Roads for allowing us to enter this property. So without further ado, come on guys, let's check it out.